Okay, so this is the video for the lab where we're doing the complete RC5 on FPGA. My solution is not 100% working on the FPGA board, but I'm going to walk you through at least the way it's set up, and I'll tell you why I believe it's not working and what I could do if I had a little extra time to just patch this up. Alright, so I'm just going to program my bit file. Okay. So basically the way this works is I have it set up so you can do 8 bits at a time in terms of input. So the 8 leftmost switches, whatever position they're in when you push the center button here, that will be one input. The rightmost here is the clear. So you'll see if I push the button while we have clear on, nothing else is going to happen. And then the second switch determines if we are encrypting or decrypting. So down means we're decrypting, up means we're encrypting. Middle button is what actually pushes the bits from these left switches into our other inputs. So the way the program will actually work is we take 32 bits for U key for key generation, and then we take 64 bits for DN for whichever one of the other two we're doing. So we'll push it 4 times for U key, and then we'll push it 8 times for the DN. And you'll see I set the first 4 LEDs up here to count up. The next LED after that tells us when key generation has completed, and then the one next to that will tell us when, or it should tell us ideally when the encryption has completed. So anyway, let me just push the button a few times. Oh right, I need to switch up clear. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then here. So you see the next one is set, so keygen is complete. So here's the issue, and so this top one will cycle through our output from the encryption. The issue is that the encryption gets stuck in a loop because it just keeps going. Like it'll just keep cycling through its states because its valid input is never set to 0. What I would need to do is put in another input so that I could control that more easily, because right now the way the functionality works is that the keygen just pipes through. It has an output bit that it pipes through into the other to determine if there's a valid key for it to use, and then that determines if the encryption can be run. But the issue is that the encryption never stops being run, so you'll see if I keep pushing this, I keep getting different values. Really what should happen is I should be cycling through the same 2 values, so all 64 bits of D out. But anyway, if I had a little more time, that's what I would implement. At least this shows that there is some sort of implementation on the FPGA board. So thank you for watching.